Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to specifically talk about using the Lasso tool to delete a group of markers. Now, the Lasso tool is found on the right-hand side. If you're needing to delete a whole bunch of markers, you can simply lasso those locations. And of course, if you want to make sure you're gathering the exact right ones, you can use your filter tool or your grouping tool to filter out the markers you don't want to remove. Once you close that lasso, we see the dialog box, and delete all locations is here at the bottom. Click this to delete it. Now, it's going to give you this warning. Are you sure you want to delete the 43 markers contained in this area? This action can now be undone in the Undo modal under the Reset Diversion tab, which I'll show you. So I'm going to go ahead and say Proceed, and my markers will disappear. Now, if I did that by accident, and I hope you didn't, you can go to the Undo. You're going to go to Reset Version, and then we can just take it back to the last one that we needed to go to. And I'm going to go all the way back because I know it won't hurt anything on my map. And there's those markers right back where we left them. And that's how you can delete many markers from your map at once. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.